Your car might feel old, but it might not actually be worn out. Sometimes the problem isn't age, it's neglect. And in the next few minutes, I'll show you a simple maintenance routine that can make an old car feel smoother, quieter, safer, and almost new again. You know the feeling. The engine sounds louder than before. The steering feels heavier. The ride feels rough. The cabin smells old. And every small noise makes you think, how much is this going to cost me? But before you blame the car, check the basics. Because most old cars don't feel bad because they're old. They feel bad because nobody gives them a proper reset. Step 1. Reset the fluids. Fluids are the blood of your car. Start with engine oil. If it's dark, thick, or overdue, change it. Old oil makes your engine louder, rougher, and less efficient. Then check coolant. Low or dirty coolant can make the engine run hotter than it should. Check brake fluid. If it looks dark, it may be absorbing moisture. And if your car has power steering fluid, check that too. Low fluid can make your steering feel heavy and noisy. This one step alone can make your engine feel smoother and your car feel more alive. Step 2. Change the filters. Most people ignore this, but a dirty engine air filter suffocates your engine. Less air means weaker acceleration, poor fuel economy, and a car that feels tired. Replace it, and your engine can breathe again. Now check the cabin air filter. If your AC smells bad, if the airflow feels weak, or if the inside of your car feels dusty, this tiny filter might be the reason. New filters are cheap, but the difference can feel expensive. Step 3. Fix the tires. This is one of the fastest ways to make an old car feel new. Check your tire pressure when the tires are cold. Too low and the car feels heavy. Too high and the ride feels harsh. Uneven pressure and the steering feels unstable. Use the recommended PSI from the sticker inside the driver's door. Then look at the tire wear. If one side is more worn than the other, your alignment may be off. And when alignment is bad, your car pulls, shakes, and burns tires faster. A smooth car starts where it touches the road. Step 4. Check the battery. A weak battery doesn't just affect starting, it can make your electronics act strange. Dim lights, slow windows, weak ignition. Open the hood and check the terminals. If you see white or blue corrosion, clean it carefully. Make sure the terminals are tight, because sometimes your car doesn't need a new battery. It just needs a clean connection. Step 5. Fix the small things you stop noticing. Old wipers make every rainy drive feel dangerous. Dim headlights make the car look older than it is. Dirty windows make night driving stressful. So, replace bad wipers. Clean the windshield inside and outside. Restore cloudy headlights. Check brake lights and turn signals. These are small details, but they completely change how the car feels. Step 6. Reset the interior. Because when the inside feels old, the whole car feels old. Vacuum the seats, clean the floor mats, wipe the dashboard, clean the vents, remove everything you don't need. Then clean the steering wheel. Most drivers touch it every day, but almost never clean it. A clean cabin makes the car feel newer before you even start the engine. So here's the routine. Change or check the fluids. Replace the filters. Set the tire pressure. Check alignment signs. Clean the battery terminals. Fix lights and wipers. Reset the interior. Do this once, and your old car won't just look better. It'll start better. Drive smoother. Smell cleaner. Feel safer. And remind you why you liked it in the first place. You don't always need a new car. Sometimes, you just need to take care of the one you already have. Save this routine and try it this weekend.